Hey, y'all. So, for a few days, I've been thinking about something. Okay, amen. Follow me. So, it's not the Lord's intention to bring you to a low place, amen, or see you get to a low place and leave you there, amen. And history shows in my life and others, okay, by my testimony alone in just my personal life, that usually, you could cycle right back up. He brings you low or he lets you get low and then you get high. You know what I'm saying? You have your highs and your lows, your goods and your bads. Okay. So the other day I was like, Lord, how great, okay, is this restoration about to be? Because I feel like the hole is being dug deeper and deeper. I can laugh about it now, but yesterday on Wednesday I was crying. But yes, I feel like the hole is getting deeper and deeper. You know what I'm saying? Situation is looking more impossible by the day, amen. But I try not to think about it because when I do, okay, again, I be crying. But yeah, that was my thought. I was like, how great is this restoration about to be? Which mountaintop am I about to be placed on? Okay, that's what I want to know. That's how. Sorry, I'm being nosy. Um, that's the mindset that we need to have. And although I was just listening to the Blessed and Bossed Up podcast, and Tatum was saying, like, you could cry and give yourself that space, but don't stay there. You know what I'm saying? In the morning, carry on as usual. Amen. It's a new day with new blessings. So here we are in a new blessing, a new day, and a chance to do a little bit better than yesterday. All right. Bye.